29-100 Great Northern Highway. Large living space, big front bedroom with double built-in robe. You've got ducted aircon throughout the property. Ensuite bathroom, the large shower. Property is in the process of being repainted at the moment. Some parts of it. Gas bayonet here. Large nook here, which you could use as a fridge nook, but there is also a fridge nook in the kitchen. Gas cooking dishwasher. Range hood with lights. Bedroom number 2. Built-in robe, ducted AC, power point. This is the laundry space. Access to the side there. The main bathroom. So you've got a shower and a separate bath. Bedroom number 3. Larger built-in robe. And a nice window outlook to the front of your property. Ducted AC as well. Little linen closet here. We'll go into the front yard. The backyard. Fold out washing line, storage room, and then your single car carport, the garage motor. Direct access through to the backyard as well.